2 minutes late. Weird. Really weird, eh? Really weird. Yellow submarine, yellow submarine. Okay, what I'm going to do in this video, I mean, there's a lot of things I can probably do. I already had one video that was removed of mine, but we are going to finish off on the number 5775 to the year 5781. That is the new cycle. In fact, every year that goes by, it is, back in 1976. So what I would do is I would go, well, to the year 2000, because there were breaking points. So we go from 1976 to the year 2000. Now the question is, that's 24 years. Are you counting 1976? Are you counting the year 2000? Because if you are, it's actually 25 years. So 24 is 25, not counting from the year you're on, but from the departure of that year. So that would be 24 plus 1. So the same thing I am going to do for 5775, which is the same. I'm not getting a good grip on my pen. 5775, and that is the year 2015 plus 3760. 3760. The numeric value of the moon in kilometers, the numeric value of the moon in kilometers is 3476. Now, I always call 0 evaluated at 6. Now, since there's a 6, can I change my formula and create formula 4 equals 0 versus 6 equaling to 0? What would be the y? One of the things is 64 is created, okay? It is the fourth planet times 1.5 times the numeric value of the fourth planet, giving me the 6. 4 times 15. 15 is actually, if it was 15 seconds or 15 minutes. Anyways, there's a whole bunch of realities that go in here. Anyways, between 40 and 60, this one is blue. This one is orange. The numeric value for 60 is orange. The numeric value for blue is 40. And this would be D and F. Letters D and F. When you count 1, A, B, C, D equals to 10, okay, plus E, F equals to 11, the total equals to 21. So 43 times 47. Let me see if I get this correct. Where does this take me to? Where's my calculator? I have calculators all over the place, and when I want one, I'm going to find a calculator right here. So 43 should be 2021. 43 by 47 equals 2021. Okay. And since everything stops actually on 5 and not on 6, everything stops on 5 because this is a combination that includes 6 within it, these two. The 1 in the center is the complete reverse of the 6. The 6 gets the 4 corners, 4 corners, 4 corners. There's only 3 that create it. These are creative dice. 1, 2, 3 are creative dice. We don't need these anymore. All we need is 5 and 6. Everything you see in the other dice are inside 5 and 6. In fact, I can put 5 inside a 6, and all it'll look like is 7. Here's a 5, and here's a 6. When I put the 5 inside a 6, I end up with 4 corners of XO and a center of XOX. 15, 24, 15. 1 and 5, 6, 2 and 4, 6, 1 and 5, 6. This one will create 5 and 6. This one will create 6 and 8. This will create 5 and 6. This will create 11, 14, 11, and 2, 5, 2. 25,625, or 41 times 625. 41 times 625 equals 25,625, or 25 times 25 equals 625 times 41. Now that number 41 is very special because it's created by number 23, which is created from 11. 11 will create 23, and the 23rd hour is 11. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. We now have number 23. How do we create number 23 again? We want to create 23 again, or we're going to create 23 with number 35 and with number 72. We'll create it. When we create it in this one, to create 12, this one over here, it took 1 and 1 to create this one. To create this one here, it took 1 and 2. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2, 5. 1 times 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 and 2, 3. L, K, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, part of 3 and 5. 3 times 5 equals to 15. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. 7 times 2, 14. 7 plus 2, 9 equals to 23. So they're all equaling to 23. They will all create or recreate the numeric value for the orphan child. 77 times 75. Did I add that yet? 5, 10, 17, 21, 7, and 5. The moon, the cube, and the gateway. This is going to be 5, 7, 3, 8. Gold. Gate of gold. Energy. Anyways, I'm just going over something myself. Anyways, this scenario over here, right? This scenario over here, where 23 creates 65, well, creates 11, well, it creates 41, where 41 will go ahead and create 54. See over here? 1 and 5 is 6. So 6 and 8 equals to 14. This 14, which is your DNA, you see the two different kinds of 5s in this situation? And in the roulette wheel, they show you a design like that. They show you a design like that, and I'm going to try to see if I can... this is one giant cube. And what it is over here in the design, okay, is number 14. And over here in the design is 23. Over here in the design is 18, 21, 16, and 19. And it leads up this way or that way. So what are we going to addition? What are we going to do? Well, we have to note that this is the center right over here. This side is 35. This side is 39. Electric company. $11 craps. And this one is 10 Saturn Sky. Sky is the freedom of 55. Anyways, I just wanted to bring up this little thing and how the spirit of 76, the number 16, or the reverse on the cube, right, is going to create the final number as 29, and number 14 will create the final number as 29. In the first scenario, not in the first scenario, see these two over here, these two different equations, the sun is going to create the birth, and then this is the SUN, and this is the student, okay, of the half-life, will recreate, or the DNA is what created from within. I don't know why it goes backwards. Maybe I'm counting backwards. I have to go backwards to 29 and then start over again. So what does 29 do? 2 times 9 equals to 18. And 2 plus 9 equals to 11. And it's ironic that this is R and K. They both mean the same thing, right? They both mean the same thing. If you're playing cards, one is a king, the other one is a roi in French. This one will create the word high, and this one will just create the word big. Did I get that right? Big, B-I-G? No, it's not big. It's not big. It's bic. Maybe it's bike. Anyways, that's just a little piece that I wanted to show. See, the student is in the house. 252, this is your Earth. This is where Q comes in. Q is created from the Earth's heart, right over here. Because the multiplication and addition is going to create 7 and 10, 17. You end up with that. Anyways, Raphael, 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. For whatever it is, thank you for watching this video.